Hey guys, so the other day I did a video about editing GoPro Max 2 360 footage with the Quick app. So I'm just on my iPad. So I found a better way to do this. So when you come in, if you've recorded 360 video with the Max 2 GoPro, and you go into the app, the Quick app, and you download it onto your device. So I've done that. And I'm kind of like going in to edit here. This is the first screen where you're editing. And so I'm not making a short, so we're going to change this to that. And so what you want to do here is this Hypersmooth thing over here, bottom right, Hypersmooth. I'm going to click that. And then what I'm going to do here is turn off direction lock. And I don't know, maybe turn Hypersmooth up to high. And I think when you turn Hypersmooth up to high, it makes that horizon lock work a little bit better. So then this is what I'm going to do right here with these settings, and hit done. And then you can go into edit. And so now what I'm going to do here is just like add one keyframe where I zoom it out a little bit at the beginning, because I like to see that front tire. And then save that keyframe. But then after you do this, since I turned that direction lock off, then it makes it so that I don't have to go through the whole video, like readjusting, or like reframing the 360 angle every time I go around a corner or something. So I might have to make another video about how I do this properly now. But so when I turn here, I shouldn't have to add any keyframes. It should just kind of turn along with me. There we go. Alright, so now you don't even have to edit the video. Like, you just do that once, and then it just locks it. I turned off the direction lock, but then that just kind of keeps the camera facing forward like you would expect. It's kind of weird. It was kind of like counterintuitive. But yeah, so that's what I've learned. So now I don't have to mess around with this. I'm just going to save. I'm going to hit save here and then just export this video out. And I don't think that I even need to like go through it really, because it just does, it reframes it and aims the camera automatically. So yeah, that's a little trick I thought I'd show you for editing e-bike rides with the GoPro Max 2 360 camera. So you don't have to put keyframes all over the place, and you can edit your videos a lot quicker. So I'm just going to save this thing out, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll probably make another video once I learn more about the Quick app and I really get it down and learn more about all these other features. So, but the Max 2, I like it so far. So yeah, I just thought I'd make this quick update about how I'm using the GoPro Max 2 and my workflow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See bubs next time.